My name is Dr. Robinson. I am an opioid addiction doctor at suboxoneclinics.com. Suboxone Clinics is one of the biggest opioid addiction clinics in the United States. Let's talk about heroin use and its connection to opioid epidemic. Heroin use is intricately connected to the broader issue of the opioid epidemic. The opioid epidemic refers to the significant increase in the misuse and abuse of opioids, including prescription painkillers, heroin, and synthetic opioids like fentanyl. Heroin, a highly addictive illegal opioid, has played a substantial role in fueling this epidemic. Here are some key points regarding the connection between heroin use and the opioid epidemic. Gateway drug. Heroin is often considered a street opioid and is sometimes used as a substitute for prescription opioids. Many individuals who misuse prescription painkillers transition to heroin because it may be cheaper and more accessible. Prescription opioid misuse. The opioid epidemic can be traced back to the widespread prescription of opioid pain medications. Individuals prescribed opioids for legitimate medical reasons may develop a tolerance, dependence, and eventually turn to heroin if their prescription runs out or if they seek a stronger high. Increased availability. The influx of heroin into the illicit drug market has contributed to its increased availability. This availability, combined with its relatively low cost compared to prescription opioids, has made heroin an attractive option for individuals seeking opioids. Fentanyl contamination. Fentanyl, a synthetic opioid that is much more potent than heroin, has been increasingly found in heroin and other illicit drugs. This has led to a higher risk of overdose, as users may unknowingly consume a more potent substance than they expect. Rising overdose rates. The opioid epidemic has resulted in a significant increase in opioid-related overdoses. Heroin, often mixed with other substances, has been a major contributor to the rising number of overdose deaths. Public health crisis. The opioid epidemic is widely recognized as a public health crisis, with devastating consequences for individuals, families, and communities. Efforts to address the epidemic involve a combination of prevention, treatment, and harm reduction strategies. If you want updates on opioid addiction recovery, please subscribe to our channel. To make an appointment, please schedule on suboxoneclinics.com.